Today I'm going to show you how to export students, which is a class list of students, from Realtime into Google Classroom when you want to invite students in just one click. You don't manually have to click add and add each student. I'm going to show you how to do it in one click where you add all of the students in just one try. This is especially great for special teachers who have about 20 classes. And I would say making 20 classes for teachers that are specials is only going to take, I'd say, less than 5 minutes with this approach. So, first thing you're going to do is you're going to click go to real time, choose scheduling, choose by teacher, make sure you're in the maintenance component, choose by teacher, choose your name, and then just click on submit. Now, whatever class that you want to add the students, make believe this is the class where I want to add all these students. Choose the little icon that says class list, click, make sure these are all the students that you want to add. Click on the CSV file down here. This is actually an Excel file. Just click. It's going to ask you to save, which you're going to click save. If you're on a Chromebook, it's automatically going to open in another tab. Click on save. Now you're just going to open up the file that just saved to your computer. Now you could see here that Realtime has given you all this information. The only information that you want is the student email. So you're going to click first on the first cell with the student ID, hold your finger on Shift, and then click on the last cell. Right click, copy. Now go into your classroom. This is your stream. You want to go into the people section. Click on invite students. Right click, paste. All your students' names just came up here. You have to click on this where it says add recipients. These are all your students with one click. You don't see their name right now, but as soon as you click invite, there you go. Now, students will see this as they log into their Google Classroom. Once they log on their dashboard here, it's going to ask them to join. All they do is they click join and they're in.